Hello friends. So I am a little, I think we're right at like 2 weeks away from our beach trip. So today I actually went out into the garage and was kind of going through everything, trying to like keep a list of what we're gonna be taking as far as like travel items go, things that I've liked, things that I don't wanna forget. And I was like, why not I make this into a video since these are like my travel essentials. So I think like 99% of the stuff, maybe 100% is from Amazon, but I will have everything numbered up on screen and linked in the description bar below. This is just a casual chatty video. I've been liking this style a little bit more lately because it just feels like I'm chatting with my girlfriends. So that is what we're doing, and we will go ahead and get started with this bad boy right here because I could sing this suitcase's praises. So this, I can't remember the brand name, but they used to have more colors. I don't think they have as many this time, but I just feel like for what you get with this suitcase, the quality and the price is absolutely incredible. So I bought the set of 2, and you can see here, I believe it is like 20-inch and then 28. But this is a carry-out. I will talk about that in a second, but just know I did buy these as a full set. I love the pink. Personally, we don't do a lot of flying in this family, although I have flown, I believe, I was trying to remember earlier if it's 6 or 8 different flights, like 4 separate trips total. Unless you count like connecting flights, then it's been way more, but there have been like 4 separate times I believe that I've taken this luggage when I did fly. So it works flying. We just personally aren't big flyers in this family. There's nothing really to show you inside of here, except for that it's big and has like a little bit of a 2 zipper pouches here. But that is key. That's what I wanted to show you. I do see a lot of suitcases that have all of these like specific like compartments basically, and I'm not into it. I like a big open like suitcase. So my goal this year is to actually pack, hopefully, our entire family, just the clothing and stuff that we're gonna wear in one suitcase. I have storage bags that I'm planning on using that can save a ton of room. And I've heard from so many people that like they'll pack their entire family of like 6 in one big suitcase. So since we're a family of 4 and we do have 2 kids that are small, that is my goal. But for the carry-on, the reason I sing this thing's praises, and I'll kind of grab the camera and show you guys a close-up in a minute. Couple reasons. One, it does have a lock here. It is TSA friendly or approved, of course. And when I actually open it up, I have a lot of stuff inside. When you open it up, you can see right there how much this fits. So I have got humongous, I mean, these are massive beach towels that I bought for us this year that I had. I like used the little machine. I will link these below. They come with a tiny little handheld like vacuum, basically, so you're not having to use your regular big vacuum. But this is so nice to take, of course, because you can vacuum everything down. But I just feel like that was so much to be fitting in this one little area. And then same with the other bag, just, you know, really simple zippers, nothing crazy. And this right here is the little vacuum that goes with the storage bags. But it does have a top compartment and a like main compartment as well. This right here is why I love this suitcase so much, because there are other brands that are very expensive that have this same thing, and it's so insanely extra to have this on here. But I was traveling one time and I had my laptop and I kept having to open up the compartment in the middle here to get my laptop. It was just super annoying. So this is really nice. There is a place here for your passport if you want to put any cards here, you want to zip up some headphones, laptop, tablet, then this little thing right here. I think this tells you it doesn't fit like super big laptops, but my laptop fits in here totally fine. It just has to like, it can't be in this little pocket. It takes up every inch of this, but I just love this because you can see it, it barely opens. It's super easy to access. So this is a big reason I love this suitcase. Now, one more suitcase before we move on to the other little travel bags here is this black one. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is Sam's and he picked out the color. We have flown internationally with this. Oh, I did fly internationally with that. I went to Jamaica with that pink suitcase and that one. So I did fly internationally with it, but we have flown internationally with this one and the quality was amazing, held up beautifully. It's dark, so you can't see any marks. I will say that I have actually seen reports myself and I've seen other people talk about it that there is a lesser chance of your luggage being tampered with if it is really, really bright. Tampered with meaning like people are gonna try and steal it. I saw, it was Jen Reed on Instagram. She's the Sister Studio IG, just on Instagram. I don't think she has like YouTube or anything like that. She actually said that her husband was making fun of her. He was like, why does our luggage look like starbursts when we're going through the airport? Like she had neon yellow, neon purple, neon green. And she said she was like looking at all of the suitcases and everything was dark. And like some people were trying to identify like, is that your suitcase or my suitcase? Because we have the same one. So brighter luggage, just I've read, does have like a lesser chance of being stolen because you're gonna see the starburst luggage, but it does have its benefits because you do have that like darker color, so it doesn't look as worn quickly. But this is also a great one and it's a carry-on. It has an extending like side to it. So yeah, Sam really loves that suitcase. And if we don't end up making it in this one suitcase, we will probably take that black one, just simply because I don't need my laptop in like a separate compartment, so it just makes more sense. Now for the other bags that I have here, I did tell you guys I was gonna mention or link, I guess, the vacuum storage bags, but again, I haven't like used those on a trip yet. This is the first time. So keeping with things I have used, these mama baby bags, I actually took to the hospital with me when I had Roe, and I feel like this bag, like it just doesn't look as big as it is. This holds everything and I love it. Like I took it with, I mean, it had all of my toiletries. I was hoping I was only at the hospital for one night, but I did prep just in case anything happened for, I believe I did like 3 or 4 nights worth of stuff. I had all my skincare, like my travel skincare that I had packed. I had all my body wash, my shampoo, my conditioner. I had like little travel dry shampoos. I had extra hairbrushes, hair bows, deodorant, and like this still had room. So I feel like it just has a lot of stretch to it, which is really nice. And it says mama on it. So it is cute. Of course, if you are wanting something that's like for the hospital. I do have this one that says baby, and my plan for this bag is actually not baby specific stuff, but just more sunscreen. I can never take enough sunscreen, especially between me and my little ginger baby. We're gonna need all the sunscreen that we can get, but those two are definitely going with us. And I think there might've been another one that I had that had like mama baby snacks. So I'll link that one, but that one doesn't hold near as much stuff. These are both great because you never know what you're gonna get when you travel. Like you just don't. I do need to actually charge these. This was part of the reason I got these out, but you can see this is a big old mirror and it has 2 little buttons right there, and you can turn on the light and then you can also adjust the brightness and the color of it. So that's really nice. Oh wait, maybe I don't need to charge it. Just have the on off. Ah, there we go. So I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see because of the light in here, but there's the on off. And then it's actually getting brighter. I'm not sure if you can tell. There we go. There's at least from cool to warm. So I like to have things like this when traveling because again, just don't know. Now I'm not a big makeup girl at the beach, but when I do put it on, I do want it to look nice. Same for this one. This one is a small one. It has an on-off button. This one definitely needs to be charged. The on-off button is here, but this one gets super, super bright and it's just a smaller mirror. So I do take both because I tend to have one that sits far away and then one that I'm like this with. So that is why I'm taking both of these. This bag y'all have heard me talk about for many, many years, and I will always talk about it because it's really nice if you don't want to take toiletries. You have to get the large size, okay? You cannot get the medium or the small, you gotta get the large. But this bad boy right here holds full-sized products. You can put your full-size shampoo and conditioner, your full-size face wash, toothbrush, I mean, everything you could need. It fits right down in here. It's so nice and convenient. It does get fairly heavy. I wouldn't say it's anything crazy, but just something to keep out for if you are traveling by plane. And then it does have a hook here so you can hang it on the door. This is just, I will never stop singing this bag's praises because there has yet to be a time when I was like, okay, I don't want to put that in a travel container. I'm just going to take the full size, that it didn't fit in here. So I love this so much. It holds everything. It holds your hairbrushes and it just zips right on up. And again, this is one of those, I feel like it's a little deceiving. You look at it and you're like, that doesn't look like it stretches. This stretches so much. So I love, love, love this. And then the last couple items. So I have mentioned this stuff bag to you guys. Again, took it to the hospital when I was having my bebe, when I had Roman, and I took my adult diapers in this, the Always Discreet Boutique underwear. Those, like, if you know how big those are, they fit perfectly in here, and I took them because I just don't like the mesh panties. So it's really nice to have this for that. However, when it was over, it has all these little compartments here on this side and a zipper pouch on this side. Whenever I was leaving the hospital, I had used up every single one of the diapers. And so I opened this up and I had the nurse like stuff it full of things. There was so much stuff that was down in here. This is just, I don't know what it is about these bags. They're so deceiving. It looks like it's a big bag, but this holds even more than it like looks like it will. So I love this one. And I did get a little bit, I can't remember, I think it was like lotion or toothpaste. I think it might've been toothpaste because it had color to it on here. And I literally just took a little wipe and it came right off. So it's very easy to clean as well, which is a huge bonus. Again, you just can never have too many bags, especially when you're traveling with little kids. I'm so anxious. Do you guys have any tips for like traveling with little kids and like just what I need to make sure I don't forget? Because I essentially have to like move my entire house. I have to take everything, cups, little baby forks, all the things. Let me know. And then this is really nice. I like to have a separate, specific undergarments and socks bag. I don't know why. I just have always been like that. Even if like I have these neutral packing cubes, but I like something that stands out. That's like, hey, I'm your underwear. Hey, I'm your this, I'm your that. Same goes for my makeup. Like I'm someone who, I wanna just put this, see it in my suitcase, put it on the counter and not have to worry about it again while I'm there. I don't pull all my stuff out. So it's nice to have like all your makeup contained in one of these things. It's nice to have your bras, your underwear, and your socks in one very bright little bag. So it has a place up here. Usually what I do is underwear goes up here and then bras and socks go down here. Since I do go braless a decent amount of time, and also it's gonna be the beach now, just like since my lift, I probably won't take but like one bra. I don't know. So this may not get used as much, but this is great in the past and I love it so much. So that's going. And then lastly, this item. Now this bad boy is gonna be for the whole fam. And I tell the story every single time because I'm still a little bitter about it. My husband, y'all know he got wasted on our honeymoon, right? And he literally went into the water with a pair of sunglasses, like Ray-Ban sunglasses, and came out and was squinting. And I was like, what happened to your glasses? He was so drunk, he didn't even know that he had lost them. So we had to get these ugly Jersey Shore looking glasses from the gift shop. They were awful. So now everybody gets extra sunglasses. Everybody, I take some and him. So we're gonna fill up 2 of these for us. And then the bottom compartment will be for the boys. I do have small sunglasses for each of them. Surprisingly, they wear them well. I don't know if once we're at the beach, Ezra's gonna like them, but for the most part, like Roman doesn't fight it. He's like, okay, I'm gonna wear glasses, but it's just nice to have those just in case. And also just a little traveling case for all of our sunglasses and our extras, so I know we're good and taken care of. And that is it, you guys. I think, oh my gosh, we're like, when you guys see this video, we'll be like, yeah, 17 days or something crazy. Like it is so approaching fast and I am so, so excited. So thank y'all so much for watching this very chaotic video. Again, I just like these casual chatty videos where it's like I'm talking to a girlfriend, just telling her how much I love this item, and maybe she'll like it too. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget, click the subscribe button if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.